Hello and welcome to Little Blue Star Cards. I'm Jane Allen and I'm an independent Stampin' Up demonstrator. This little card is made from the kit from Stampin' Up called Let's Party Treat Packaging Kit. And you get all inclusive, so you get the block, the ink, everything you need to make all these little treat packaging. And then once you have done and made the kit, you are left with your stamp set. So why not use these cool little stamps that you get? So here's a little card to make with that. So the little birdie that comes in it, we're going to ink that up in the bottom left hand corner. There we go. And then we want some balloons. So the centre balloon is going to be hopefully in his beak, if I can not get my head in the way. It's going to be like that. Now, to get the effect of the 3 balloons, we're going to do like a masking technique. So literally just a normal post-it note, sticky note, whatever, and you want the sticky end, and then ink a balloon onto there a minute. So make sure you've got the sticky end, and then you just want to cut out the balloon. So don't worry about the tail, but the actual balloon part, we want to cut that out, and then that is going to stick onto our balloon on the card there. So that's going to go right there over the top, and then you get your balloon again and you sort of move it slightly to the side there and do it again, and then you get those 3 balloons. And then obviously you can just then peel your post-it note off and you get the 3 balloons. So that is quite a cute little fun little thing to do. So it's called the masking technique, and you can do that with lots of cards. So this one I'm going to have for you, my friend, down the bottom there, and then we are going to stick that on, which is here. So that's my layer. So this is the DSP in the in colours. Oh, I've got a bit of black on that, so I'll turn it over. Okay, and then a layer on there, and that's going to go onto our, which I've got here is a little note card from the pack. So the Stampin' Up note cards and envelopes. So that is going to go on there, and then that one we need to colour in. So grab some blends, and then we can just colour both the bird and the balloons in whatever colour you would like. So I'm going to match the background with the green here. And then whatever colour, obviously, your balloons. Yeah, that's a fun little oh, gone out the lines there. A fun little technique for the balloons there, so you don't get those lines. Just use a sticky note to stick on to your design, and then it will just create that effect. I'm just going to grab a smoky slate just to give it a little shadow there, so it's not in midair. And then grab some dimensionals to stick on the back, and it will just pop up. So a fun little technique there, using up all the extras of my dimensionals there, all the edges. There we go. And then that will just, you can have it straight or wonky. I'm going to have it a little bit wonky there. And there we go. That's our card for today. So I hope you enjoyed that little technique. As always, if you haven't subscribed, it's free to do so, and it really does help me create more content like this. Thanks to all my subscribers already. I really do appreciate it. Give me a like, thumbs up, comment, and I will see you again soon. Bye.